Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I just stopped in a small bar in Girardville. What's this place called? Guntown?
Guntown Bar Billiards, yeah.
Okay, Guntown Bar and Billiards. I got some old mining photos in here. She doesn't know what breaker that is, and I have no clue myself. There's all these cool old pictures at the bar showing all kind of coal-related stuff and other pictures of the town. Where was that one cool picture I saw? Oh, right here. Look at that, the Girard. It says right on the bottom. Hammond Breaker, Girardville. That is so freaking cool. Let's see if there's any more. Any more breaker photos?
I'm sure there is down the bar here. I never actually really looked at them all myself, actually.
I'm looking. Yeah, I don't see any more offhand. But yeah, it's a little bar. Got all these old photos embedded into the bar, which is really neat. Aerials and stuff. So, thanks for watching.